Although, apparently, in a past life I was...
Guys, get on with it! Whoopsie and I like a good show.
I'm happy to be whatever Whoa!
Freddy!
You're not monster poop!
Huh? Why are we waiting?
I'll stuff you mutts like a roast duck!
Ooh, nice! More!
Get out of here, you dog scum!
I beg your pardon.
I'm pretending to attack you to gain Max's trust.
Oh, come on! Bring on the death!
Take that!
I'm really good at pretending.
Not really.
Throw another one.
Take that, you mutts!
Ow! My spine!
Ooh, sounds like it got one. Yes, more! More!
Hey, good one, Freddy.
Feel my rage!
Pitchy, give us some real pain.
Okay.
Oh, that one sounded like it really hurt.
Oh, my leg! Oh, now the other leg!
That's what happens when you mess with the Fredinator.
Finish them all! Whoopsie, let's go and take a closer look.
No, I've got it. Okay, now quickly dive. She's coming.
Tell my wife I love her.
Guys, come on. Die already.
You got them all. Oh, dear. I can see why you need my help. Follow me.
Good job, guys.